Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this popular Basque cheesecake. It's a super yummy treat and it's trending nowadays, and it's super yummy and easy, and let's get started. Basque cheesecake, we are going to be using cream cheese, sugar, rind of 1 lemon, 1 egg, dairy cream, a pinch of salt, vanilla essence and flour. I will take the cream cheese and start beating it. Once I have beaten it slightly, I will be taking the sugar and I will start beating this again. Beaten the cream cheese and the sugar. Next I will be putting in the vanilla essence, the egg, the lemon rind, a pinch of salt, and I will continue beating this till it is well mixed. Once this is fully beaten, I will be putting in the dairy cream and the flour, and I will give it a very gentle swirl so that it's all mixed together. I am using a 4-inch tin which I have lined with butter paper. The batter is ready. We will be pouring it into the tin, and this tin is going to go into a 200 degrees heated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. For the Basque cheesecake, we will just pull out the paper that is covering it. And this yummy treat is ready to be enjoyed. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।